Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
Welcome to another Doom Pile Project Day. It's going to be a fun one though. Okay, I've literally been stepping over this thing for a couple of years now. It's flower pot. It's got a fleur-de-lis on it. Fleur-de-lis are still really popular. It was actually in the booth at one time. Has a price tag on it. Had $7 whole on it. Yeah, it's gone. Price has gone up. Price has gone up without even finishing this project. It's a good size flower pot. This is like a quart size flower pot with a fleur-de-lis. It is a terracotta pot. It was a terracotta pot. It's got a crack in it. So it's decorative at this point. But it's also super scratched up, like the chalk paint thing that happens where you get like lines on it, like any little mark stays on the chalk paint. That's why it's been in here and it's in the doom pile. Oy vey. Yeah, it needs to be painted up, give it a nice coat of paint. By the way, the crack does not go through the entire thing, so it is still a viable planter. And somebody's probably just going to use it as a cute planter anyway. You could even put a topiary in this thing and it would be super duper cute. But I'm seeing it now. Like, I did this in the duck egg chalk paint an age ago and left it. But what I'm seeing now is white over the top and then a glaze. So I need to get a white on top of this. And I think I'm going to go with the off-white, not the bright white that I had before. It wouldn't matter. It's not going to matter because of the glaze. And you know what? I have more of the bright white, so we'll do bright white on it. See how my brain's like, calculate. Figure it out, Stacy. So we'll put the white over the top, letting the blue come through in some places. And then we're going to do a glaze to bring out the fleur-de-lis pattern. I think that'll look better overall so that you can actually see this at a distance. Like, oh, it's a fleur-de-lis, right? But it's a good pot. And it's just going to get a little quick makeover because it's not making me any money sitting in here, right? My glasses are really dirty. Hello, these are my eyes. I don't like my face without my glasses, though. I'll be honest with you. I like my glasses. I always have. I always felt like they suited me to have glasses. So it's just one of those things. Face jewelry. I got some face jewelry. Yeah, it's not doing me any good in here at all. It's not one of those things that's going to make me money sitting on the floor. And I keep walking over it. I've put things in it. I've been like using it for storage and I'm going, what the heck, Stacy? It's time. Today's the day. So let me get you guys switched around so you can see what I'm working on. I may actually put you in the front facing clip today. Just because I think it'll be a better view for you. And let's get to painting. Y'all, there are a lot of marks on this one. This one is like dirty. Like it has been bumped and prodded and poked and... We're going to hide most of that. Most of it's scars. But see what I mean? I think leave some of the blue shine through. And then when we glaze over it, I think it'll be super duper cute. And I'll make sure to get the lip. I may have painted this on this channel. I don't remember. I don't recall, y'all. There was a time I could remember everything like that. I don't remember anymore. We may have painted this blue on this channel. I probably did. Got it at a garage sale or thrift store and then decided, oh, I'm going to put a quick coat of paint on it and it'll be super cute. It wasn't super cute. Like, I feel like this was a half-assed job. Like, it needed more than that before. Oh, I'll throw a coat of paint on it. It'll be perfect. No, it's not enough, Stacy. Not enough. I've become braver. After a few years, you do. And there was a time that the cracks would have bothered me, so maybe this got cracked and that's why I took it out of inventory, but now the cracks don't bother me either. It doesn't go all the way through. It's still a viable piece, and it just adds kind of to the character of this piece. All right, so this is what we're looking at, which really cleaned up that blue. I'm going to let it dry. And then I'm going to hit it with a matte clear. As with the other ones that I did, a matte clear is always better on the terracotta. Just because, I mean, you're not expecting a pot like this to be super bright and shiny, right? I'm just picking at it now. I'm just kind of going, I think a little heavier in there, a little lighter in there, pull it out of there. You know, you just kind of do your, it's an art at that point. At the point where you're like picking at it like this, that's where the art comes in. I mean, there's dry brushing and then there's knowing, that could use a little heavier there. And it's personal opinion. Like, I feel like a little heavier around the edges of this fleur-de-lis. Because I know that the glaze is going to sit in there. And I'm trying to soften any hard lines from that. So I went this way, and now I'm going this way. So I went horizontally, and now I'm going vertically. And it makes like a hatch mark pattern to your brush strokes, which I think is more interesting. And now I'm going to let that dry, and then I will take it outside. I can put it on the bottom. I guess I'm going to hit the lip of this again. didn't get this spot right up here. You can see it's still dark and dirty. And then I think I'm ready to clear coat it as soon as this dries. Okay. Okay, this has been matte cleared and it looks really cute. It looks cuter than it was before, just like this. But as soon as we add this glaze, it's just gonna take it to the next dimension. Next level. We're gonna level up. Level up. My daughter has accused me of making a song out of any word that she says. And I'm not saying she's wrong, but not every word. You can see the difference now, so just gives it a more old world look, less bright. last side, and then we gotta do the top and the bottom. Let's do the bottom while I do this side. And we have to do this lip because you can see it's very bright blue. No bright blue. We don't want it to be. All right, let's let it dry. It's dry. Who's ready to see it? I'm very happy with how this came out. Very happy that it's going to get a price tag on it and be out the door. Very, very happy to have another Doom. I'm not going to have to step over it anymore. I have a feeling this is going to sell. But that's it. That's my Doom pile project for the day. It's perfect timing too with spring being here. So feels good. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.